Hey guys, if you're constantly cleaning baby bottles and you want a more efficient way to do it, you have to check out this electric bottle brush. This thing makes it so easy to clean your bottles. Let me show you here. So there's this button right here. It has two different settings. You go ahead and push it once. It's gonna be a little bit of a lower setting. You push it again, it goes a lot faster for you to get that job done. So you have two different types of heads for on here. This one here is for your main bottle. This also works really great for like mason jars, water bottles. I use it for my older kids' water bottles all the time. To change it out, you're just gonna go ahead and pull it off. It also comes with this smaller one here. This one here is really nice. It's perfect for the nipples of the bottles, and it's also really good for your pacifiers if you're cleaning those out too. It also does come with a cleaning tool here, so you can clean the straw if you have like a Dr. Bronner's baby bottle that comes with a straw that you need to clean, or if you need to clean your kids' water bottle straws, it's really great for that too. It also comes with a squirt bottle right here that's easy for on the go. You can fill it up with your soap and you can easily just clean it whether you're in the bathroom and you have your soap right with you. So it has a really long battery life from 4 to 8 hours, so it's gonna last a really long time. Now to charge it, right here's where you're gonna charge it. Actually, it's a magnetic connector, so you're gonna go ahead right there and connect it just like that. It's gonna charge for you. It comes with a really nice carrying case, so you can go ahead and put everything in there. So if you're on the go, you can just grab it all in one spot. So if you're looking for a really quick and easy way to clean your baby's bottles, this electric bottle brush is a great option. Thanks for watching.